Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another wig tutorial. I got this wig, a headband wig from a company called Arabella. I'm super excited about this one. So as I said, this is a headband wig. So to start off, they did send me, I think I got 4 or 5 headbands. I'm going to be featuring one of them in today's video just because I moved and misplaced the other one. Sorry. But I got that, and then I also got this little bag that had a clip. It had the wig cap, and it also had a lashes and edge brush, which is super dope. I really like that. So this wig I actually got a 22-inch. This is the headband wig. As I said, this is human hair glueless natural wig, and it is full machine made, and is for, like, you know, a lazy girl approved. It's for those type of people that don't know how to do all that plucking and all that stuff, like myself. I'm super happy about this wig. I'm super happy to try this headband wig. This is my first headband wig. So as I said, this is the curly texture that I got. It is a natural hair, and it does have the headband that is adjustable and goes around the wig, and it also has the clips. I believe it has 2 clips that you can use to secure your wig down. I really love the adjustable strap because you can tighten it and loosen it to secure how tightly you want it around your head. So this hair is really soft. The curls were super soft, and I really liked how natural it looked. It was easy to apply, and I know usually when I do my wigs I kind of just throw my hair in a bun, so I really try to braid my hair as flat as possible. I know 2 braids is not really justice, especially with how thick my hair is, but I just tried it out with the 2 braids just to see how it would look. So that is what I'm doing in this video. I'm just brushing out my hair, and then I'm going to throw in 2 doodle plaits. Yes, 2 cornrow doodle plaits in my hair. And the wig cap that they sent me was actually a little darker than my scalp or whatever, but I still made it work just because you're not really seeing the wig cap with this wig, so I still used it. So you will see that it is a little darker. I know that. I really like this wig because, guys, it is so easy to put on. It's literally like the quickest thing to put on. It is literally a lazy girl approved, okay? Forget even being lazy girl approved. It's just really easy to put on. It's really beginner friendly, especially if, like, you know, you want to wear wigs but you don't know how to do like that whole plucking and stuff like that. This is just an easy method for you. This hair itself is really soft. As I said before, it had minimal shedding. I really loved how full it was. It was super full. I almost thought it was too full for me, but I really liked it, and I found the length was perfect for me as well. And again, if I wanted to tame down the volume, I could have just wet it. I really like the versatility with this wig because you can adjust the straps to how tight you want it, which is really dope as well. And I really love that with this company, they send you, I believe it's 5 headbands I got. I just misplaced it because I moved and all that, but you do get 5 headbands, 4 or 5 headbands, and all those other little things like the edge brush, the clip, the wig cap. Super dope. As you guys can see, I was super excited because usually I struggle with these wigs. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm the type of person where I don't really know how to pluck like the hairline or like to cut off the lace. It's not as easy as it seems. So like for me, I was super happy because I'm like, bro, finally a wig that I know I can, like, you know, throw on and I'm good to go. And it's funny because I've done something like this previously in some of my other videos. If you go back, you'll see that I did something like this. This wig doesn't come all the way down, so you can kind of like push it back and leave out your own baby hair if you want to, or you can no baby hair. I like baby hair, to be honest. I feel it kind of like completes a look, especially with my baby hair. They're unruly, so I have to have them laid. Like, they won't really stay back, so I left out my baby hair. You guys can definitely check out the description box for the direct link to this hair store, the direct link to this hair, and as well as any coupon codes. It is Black Friday, it is Cyber Monday, so a lot of deals are gonna be going on. Highly recommend this wig. Like I said, it's super full, and I just love the texture, and I just love everything about it. So you guys can check out the description box for all of that details and check them out. Yeah, so for the rest of this video, I'm just gonna be doing up my baby hair, and that's gonna complete the look. So it's kind of quick, simple, short. That's just to show you how quick this wig is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to Arabella for sending me this wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video.